guys, me making weird noises. I want to give a shout out to Maddie Ziegler, Mackenzie Ziegler, and Kendall, and Chloe, all dance moms, and Abby Lee Miller. Wah! Go Abby Lee Dance Company. Peace. Subscribe and comment down below. Peace. Down below.